Well, good morning. It's 3:30 in the morning. I'm just setting off now to pick up the rest of my barn. Part 2, I suppose you can call this, of my barn construction. It should have been picked up weeks ago, but there was a bit of a mix-up with the transport, the guy that picks it up, myself and my contractor. So anyway, I'm off to pick up the rest of it this morning. So wish me luck. It's a long journey ahead, 4 hours ahead, and I'll give you an update when I get there. Thanks for coming along anyway. Cheers for now. Well, good morning. It's been an hour and a bit. We're on the M1 now. We've just passed the 140 mile marker on the M1 to the cut. So still quite a way. I'll see you later. Thanks a lot. Well, there you go. Still on the M1. 147 miles to go to end the journey. Catch you later. Well, guess what? It's me again. Now, looking at the sat nav, we've got 73 miles to go. I've broke the journey. I'm stopping to go to the toilet and have a cup of coffee. I haven't got a clue where we are. Somewhere in Leicestershire, I think. Anyway, see you soon. Thanks for coming along. here we are. It's me again. Now we're here already. Got the trailer ready to be loaded. A nice young lady has helped me out here. What's your name? Sorry.
Jodie.
Jodie. Thank you, Jodie. She let me use her facilities, and we're just waiting for the owner of the steel company now to turn up. So we're going to put the drone up just to get it loaded and see where we go from there then. Thanks a lot for coming along anyway. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up for me, would you? And if you'd be so kind, think about subscribing. Everything helps, you know, and I would appreciate it. We've hit the 1,000 mark now, so everything's going well. See you in a little while. Well, there you go, all fully loaded. Now a 3,500 mile round trip, we're back home again. I'll catch you at the other end when I unload. Thanks for coming on again. Don't forget to like the video. Cheers. Well, back home now, back where I come from, 300-mile journey, close enough. Now I've got a trailer behind me. I'm going to try and lift it off with my little digger. I've got a friend coming round in a little while. I'm going to stick the drone in here. I've got to apologise. Now, previously I've done some filming up in Oldham and the mic weren't switched on. So I'm going to overdub it anyway, but you'll see that anyway. So anyway, let's get going, shall we? Well, hot and sweaty, you can see. There you go, all off, all on my own after all that. So anyway, it's all off. I've got to take the trailer back to a friend's now. Now if you like the video, after all that hard work I just did, give it a like, you know, and think about subscribing. One other thing while we're now, when I was up in Oldham, I met a young lady, and she's got her own YouTube channel, and she's just done a Rolls Royce up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a link in the description down below for her channel and her video. So take a look at that for me, would you please? I would appreciate it, as I say. And don't forget, I've got the people that built the steel structure, a big thanks to them as well, to Ashley and Steve. Much appreciated, guys, for all your help and putting me on the right road back home. Anyway, thanks again. See you soon. Cheerio for now.